Yeah, it makes no difference to walk in the dream. Cause probably you'll change your mind. I just can't figure it out. Whoa. Yeah, nights, minutes must stay by day. Searching for a reason you wake up. They say to me I can't get my love in bed. Hey.
think the lights are low, looking out for a place to go, where to play the right music, really it's sweet. You got to look for a thing, to look for a thing. Anybody could be the guy, not as long as the music's high. With a bit about music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for a day. When you get that taste, we are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can jump, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch them sing, making the dancing queen. Jesus told them all, leave a burning and let go. Looking out for another, everything you don't regret for a dance. But when you get the taste, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can shine, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch them sing, making the dancing queen. Taking the dancing queen. Making the dancing
Alright, thank you so much. Makahingi naman po ng konting palakpakan dyan.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Yes, ayan. So by the way, I would like to say thank you so much also kaya sa kumuha sa amin at sa nag-invite sa amin para mag-perform dito sa kanyang kaarawan. Ayan. So, bago po ang lahat, ayan, pwede po bang malaman nasa na po ang ating birthday celebrant?
Nasa loob.
Nasa
Ayun,
loob.
nandun si Sir.
Yes, Hingan sana natin ng konting stage
Yes.
para,
A birthday message para po
birthday
sa kanyang mga
message.
bisita.
Yes.
Ayan,
Yes, Sir
lalabas
Reggie.
siya.
Asan na kaya si Sir?
A birthday celebrant.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Ayan,
Sir
Sir Reggie,
Reggie.
ayan, baka meron po kayong birthday message sa inyong asawa.
Mga bisita po, sa family.
Opo. Yan.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bisita namin, bisita ko ngayong gabi, mga kaibigan ko. Sa walang sawang suporta. Pati mga kaibigan ko sa loob. Salamat sa pagpunta.
Ayan, happy birthday, Sir.
Happy birthday, boy. Nakaka-good vibes yung smile ni Sir.
Oo nga.
Kaya kahit mabanas at walang hangin.
Pakibuksan po ng aircon.
Yes.
Ayan, by the way, para po sa ating lahat, because this is Sir Night, guys. Sa mga gusto pong mag-request dyan, you can request
Yes.
po habang po kayo mahihiya.
Open kami,
At
Sir
pwede din po kayong makikanta sa amin. Chill muna tayo, chill. Alright, for them, then we're gonna give this another chill song para po sa ating lahat. Uminom lang po kayo ng uminom para maging maganda kami sa paningin nyo. At mamaya talagang mapapasayaw na kayo dyan. So the moment is all that we share. You catch a family and though I try to resist being last on your list.
run away together. Love gives you the right to be. You say be patient, just wait a little longer. But that is an all that I see. I'm going to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that feeling when you walk through the door. 'Cause tonight is the night for the feeling alright. We're making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. No other woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night for the feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yeah, I'm saving all my love. 'Cause I'm saving all my love for you. For you. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much.
Alright, ayan, sige po. After that, we have a request song.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you want to walk right beside you. Is where I belong. From this moment on. From this moment, I have been blessed. I live on you. For your happiness and for your love, I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live without. I can't wait to start. Even I will never be gone. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love
face blood. It's nothing but some feelings that is all dark and cold. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the blue. You see, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. No, I can sing a love song, but today it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. And I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and today. Always, all your pictures that you left behind are just memories of a different lives. Some don't made us love, some don't made us cry, but to me you have to say goodbye. What I give to run my fingers to your hair, to touch your lips, to hold you dear when you say your prayers and to understand I'm just the same. I'm just a man when he holds you close, when he pulls you near, when he says the words you've been needing to hear. I wish I was there, cause the words are mine to say to you till the end of time. Hey, I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. yourself like that.
I'm so late, I'm dead to know. And thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday you'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, down we don't wanna find no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will pay one day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when we meet all souls of the innocence. Blood drinks women, keep on moving till the water stay raging. In this place, you can lose your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it face you no way, no way. Some tears and tears are drowned, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, down we don't wanna find no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will pay one day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day, one day. One day this all will change, the keep all the same. Stop with the fight and stop with the hate. One day we'll be free and come to me under the same sun. Singing just a bit of light. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, down we don't wanna find no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will pray. One day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day, one day.
Yan, mag-inom lang po kayo na mag-inom para gumanda kami sa paligid.
Makalasing kayo para sa pagbalik namin. Ready na.
Oh, Lord, have mercy, mercy, mercy. Everybody don't party, party, party. Don't know what the sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Every man go with them in the right way. It's so pretty, boy, you're on me. I need them love, yes. I need them love. To them long way, it's sweet, sexy. Right me go when they never ready. I need them love, yes. I need them love. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. Shy guy, who's all every man. Oh, mercy, mercy, mercy. Then I need a party, party, party. Don't ever like a sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Then I get on movie, movie, movie. Shy guy, me want it, want it, want it. Rock me, body, run and I'm there. My feet are tired, and I like my head top. Me no one big time. Me no one big time. Oh, big things rock with a shy man there. I want to be my love, and I wanna be my friends till the very end. Hey. the very end. But I don't want somebody who's not with everybody. Shy guy, who's all ever mine. Oh Lord, have mercy, mercy, mercy. Don't be the party, party, party. They want to look at the sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. Put the name down, movie, movie, movie. Shy guy, me want it, want it, want it. Only come and make me irate, irate, irate. Have mercy, 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 mercy. Come on.
Arena section.
What must say? Lord have mercy.
Child, I don't wanna hear you do the funny thing in the eyes. If you're one of them, I wanna see you. This one variation mountain. Child, I don't wanna hear you if you want the baby eyes. If you're one of them, I wanna see you. This one dedication mountain. But I don't want somebody who's not with everybody. Shy guy, who's all over my heart. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Party, party, party. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Let's get this. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. But the name don't move me, move me, move me. Try down me, want it, want it, want it. I will. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Put the name on party, party, party. No, I'm gonna like sexy, sexy, sexy. Let's get this. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. But the name don't move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, you want it, want it, want it. On you can make me I will. Shaka, shaka, shaka.
Alright, thank you so much to the Arla for this person. Thank you guys. Alright, once again, we would like to thank our nag-invite sa amin kay Sir Reggie sa ating birthday celebrant. Empowered by Lights and Sound, Deliera. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, guys. I love you more. Love na love ko kayo mga madam.
request daw yung I love you, kakantayin ko daw yun.
Ay, request ba yun? Akala ko naman na I love you mo ako. Ang sakit mo naman sa ano? Charles. O sige, try natin mamaya yan. Sayawan tayo mga madam. Maki-join kayo ha.
Once again, welcome to our second set.
Hey! Bakit parang di kayo masaya? Hey! Ano ba to?
Sa tuwing nakikita ko, magkasama na tayo. Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit na nagkakaganto.
Hey!
Sadyang nasasaktan dahil hindi naman tayo. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsaselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako?
Hey! Welcome po sa aming second set! Happy birthday, Sir Reggie! Oh, cheers! Cheers, everyone!
Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Kundi rin lang ako, sana'y magpalit na lang tayo.
Hey!
At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto.
lagi ka na lang tulala. Pumapatak ang iyong luha. Ang buhay ay ganyan talaga. Mabuti pa mag-move ka na. Masakit talaga sa first time. Mag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Ibinagbalik ka na. Iniiwanan ka na. Masakit ang katayanan. Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan. Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan. Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan. Makulisik ka ka sa akin. Sa akin. E madaling salikan. Sa akin. E madaling salikan.
Ayun o. Hey! Galing ah. Ang galing.
Masakit talaga sa first time. Iniwan ka ng asawa mo. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka.
Once again.
Masakit ang katayanan. Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan.
Galing oh.
Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan. Gamutan ko sikat. Masakit ang katayanan. Makulisik ka na sa akin. Sa akin. E madaling salikan. Sa akin. E madaling salikan.
On. Something by Sex Bomb. Come on.
Sipag mo, ikaw ang siyang bumubulo. Di mo lang alam ang nararamdaman ko.
Hey!
Pag ikaw ay nakikita ko'y nilalamig na sa kaba. At pag di ko napigilan ako'y nalulunod na sa saya. Di ko lang mapipigilan ang kailangan ng pinadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan ang iwasan at kalimutan ka. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Sa damdamin ko, ikaw ang siyang binubulong. Kung alam mo lang, at ika'y magdadalo. Ikaw ang pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng mata. At pag di ko napigilan ako'y nalulunod na sa saya.
Once again.
Di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan ng aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan ang ikaiwasan at kalimutan pa. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Ikaw ang pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng mata. At pag di ko napigilan ako ay nalulunod na sa saya. Di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan ng aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan ang ikaiwasan
sayaw ng cha-cha, ang saya-saya. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bumiyeye. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bumiyeye. O ano na, madam? Ano na? Sige, lembot mo. Oh! Merong maliit, merong malaki, meron ding mabahong bulaklak, merong makapal, merong kaya na uri ng bulaklak. 1, 2, 3, Bubog na ang bulaklak, papasok ang reyna, sasayaw ng cha-cha, ang saya-saya. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bumiyeye. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bumiyeye. Bulaklak, sa buhay ay kailangan ng magkakulay ng mundo. Hello, bulaklak. Aray, bulaklak, sa buhay ay kailangan ng magkakulay ang mundo. Hey! Come on! Oh, bakit nanahimik kayo ngayon? Oh, cheers! Kala nyo ah. Hey! Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Ba't mo ako tinititigan naman sa paa? Ang sarap. Ang bango-bango, ang sarap-sarap. May mga bantay daw yan Alright, thank you so much. Here's another one, something by Sampaguita.
Huwag mo pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papaduna mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. Dosi, balasi. Sino ba sila? Dosi, balasi.
Sino ba sila? Hey! Masaya pa ba ang lahat? Talaga? Bakit na ba sa ilong?
Sila mami nakagdan sa gilid. Oh, ayan si mami.
Kaya mag-inom pa kayo para maganda kami.
Tuloy mo lang ang gusto mo. Walang nangyayari kung sila ay papansinin mo. Talagang ganyan. Huwag mo lang patulang. Wala lang magawa kaya sila ay nagkakaganyan. Dosi, balasi. Sino ba sila? Dosi, balasi. Sino ba sila?
Arena section.
One guitar.
Our guitar together with a kiss.
Wow.
Come on.
You know. Once again,
Ayan,
one guitar.
Ayan na. Halabira. Once again, our guitar.
Dosi, balasi.
Alright. Hey.
Sino ba sila?
Imposible na sino ba sila?
Once again, sa ating may sampagita.
Here's on!
Ay, here's another Sampaguito song.
Tagay muna tayo. Para mga inaantok na kayo dyan! Tagay! O diba, naya ko ang konti. Wait lang. Sampagita!
Halika na sa kabukiran,
O tayo mga madam, sayaw!
paligid ay masa. Sari-sari mga taniman, ang makikita sa daan, sariwang hangin, sa tubig may pahi, parang pangarap na tanawin. Bundok ng kagbata, bitong palayan, malawak na karagatan. Mga ibong nagliliparan, at pag-apoy nagkaangwitan,
Wala pa mga tama to.
punong nagtataasan. Parang praisong tingnan, ibang paningin ang mapapansin. Nagigising sa iyong damdamin, malalagyan ka sa iyong nakikita, pagkat walang kasing ganda.
Hey, sabay, sabay!
Laguna, nang ito'y marating ko. Para bang ako'y nagbago, kakaibang damdamin. Laguna,
Radio section.
welcome to our second of my Ramsey.
Wala pa mga tama yung mga madam ko! Mahirap sumaya na nakaupo tayo! Come on! Hey! 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 Ay, madam! Ang sexy, oh! Hey! Hey!
Laguna ay isang larawan ng tunay na kaligayahan. Ito'y nananakalikasan na nasa puso ni Numang, kahit nasaan ay nasa isipan at nararamdaman.
Come on!
Lalakbay ay lagi kasama ko, ang magandang karanasan. Laguna, langit do'y marating ko. Para bang ako'y nagbago, kakaibang damdamin. Laguna, langit do'y marating ko.
Hi ka na, sorry na. Madan!
Ayan, para kay Balo.
Dadagdagan daw ni Madam pag natapos yung kanta. Bubuuin niya daw yung kantaan yan.
Madadagdagan yan, magtiwala ka.
Dadami yan.
Asawa mo ngayon ay
Uy, nasa na?
asawa mo, asawa ko na rin.
Uy!
Ngunit nang ikaw ay happy, naglalaho sa dilim. Wala ka nang uuwian, nais kong mapalapit sa'yo.
Ay, may panon.
Dinais kong malaman mo. Hoy, ikaw nag-repeat.
Hindi ko alam yan eh.
Ang mga paghihirap ko,
Hindi ko alam kung kayo yan.
wala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal. Kasama ko may kapal ang mukha.
May pahimas.
Dahil naging isang hanga, naghahanga.
Himasin mo, baka
sa
madagdagan yung 300.
Hey!
Bola kristal.
Umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay
Himasin mo, nandiyan yung swerte natin.
Sabi ko ngayon dahan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, panay-bayaran mo. O, tapos na.
Patapos na, wala pa rin nagdadagdag.
Tingnan mo ang katotohanan
You know?
na tayo'y paring-pareho lamang. May damdamin din nasasaktan, ang puso ko'y nasaan.
Kakanta si Madam.
Aking minahal, kasama ko ang makakapal na unita. Pala'y aking isang angal, nag-aaga ng isang lasinggero.
Hindi ko na kailangan. Umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglako na. At ito ang iyong tandaan.
Ako'y masyadong nasaktan, nag-iibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, mababayaran mo.
Ano yan?
Ayaw ko sa
Ano yan? Bakit barya na yan?
bilangan na.
Sasaktan ang
Token! Token! Token!
Gulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, hanggang ngayon nasa ilalim pa rin. Gulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas nasa ibabaw naman.
Sir, thank you sa compliment. I love you all. Wag po kayong magsasawa. Charis. Hey! Thank you,
Ayan,
Tito.
para kay Sir.
People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, a drifting cloud. With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see.
Sabay-sabay!
Don't wanna see you where
Ayaw
you
nyo.
go. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Say good
Song
morning
request.
to the one. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we had. I've been looking for a way too far too long.
feels like everything must come to an end. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweet as mine. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweet as mine. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways and nothing to prove at all. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and birds and learning to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile as sweet as mine. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile as sweet as mine. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Oh! Naka-outcome na naman ako dito! Oh! 500!
Wow!
Ay! Uwi na ako!
Biglang umuwi na.
Ang hirap ng ano, dalawa lang yung kamay.
Oh, ano yung nadekwat mo doon?
Oh, akala nyo 500 to, pero ang hirap ng request.
Alam ko.
Sa papata ng bawat oras ay ikaw. Iniisip-isip ko
Ang sarap paglakad, oh.
kumahin to
Nakachinelas lang.
ng puso. Ikaw ang pinangarap-narap ko.
Tingin ka naman dito.
Simula ng matanto naman ang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hintay, puso'y nalumbay ng kailangan. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal biyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligaya pag-ibig ko ikaw.
Hey! Palong-palo!
Humihinto,
Joke lang, sige na. Tuloy mo yan.
Tawag ka ni ma'am.
Oy, humihinto.
O, ito na.
humihinto sa bawat oras ng tagpo.
Oy, baka may scandal na ako dyan, ha? Bukas, ha?
Piniti ng aking puso pagka nasagot na ang tanong.
Hey!
Naalala noon, lagi mo na kamahal sa akin ng tunay.
O, sa mga nakakalam dyan.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kailangan. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay
Ligaya't pag-ibig ko ikaw. Puso'y nalumay ng kahit tagal, ngunit ngayon'y nandito na ikaw. Ikaw, ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko ikaw.
Ayun, once again, thank you so much, Her, sa request.
Thank you po.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life's so
You know, how I wish you were here beside me.
You dance with your wife! Sir, you dance here.
Come here, come here, come here.
Why?
Join us.
No! You're not allowed to say no.
Come on, join us.
Could you tell me and embrace me? Go, go,
Everybody. Happy birthday, Gabby.
kiss me in the morning.
Kiss me in the night.
Kiss me in the daytime.
Kiss me all the time.
Hey! Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight.
Kiss me,
Hold me, darling, with all your mind.
come on, Chris.
Kiss. You kiss your wife. When I feel so sad.
Come on.
When
Let's go. Join with us. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
You're the only one. You know, you're the make my dreams come true. Hold me, darling, get up this me. You're the one that got to. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling, come back. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, darling. Kiss me all the time. Kiss me all the time. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ayan.
Thank you po sa compliment.
Thank you, madam.
Ayan. Hey, Jam, with her daughter.
Thank you po.
Kumanta si baby girl.
O, di ba? Napakanta.
Thank you so much sa mga nag-stay tonight and mga nakisaya sa amin. Maraming
salamat po.
Ayan, salamat kina Bossing.
Salamat. Kasamang puti. Salamat. Ingat po.
Salamat at tayo'y nagkasamang muli. Salamat at sa pagkawi ng uhoy sa araw. Kahit mabis, ang ating
Miss Jovi.
And also together with our rhythm section, we are the Certificado Band!
Empowered by Diana Sound and Light. Thank you so much for being here. And for inviting us. Maraming salamat po. We are now signing off. Thank you. Thank you po.